Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. And today we have a pristine 1979 Pontiac Trans Am 10th Anniversary Edition. As you can see, it's finished in this beautiful silver and charcoal exterior, two-tone. You can see the silver paint on the sides and most of the hood, but then you go up past the bird and it's this darker charcoal paint color there on top of the roof. It kind of wraps around the back here and then it goes back to silver, which I think looks fantastic, especially with all of the red pinstriping all around it and the red in the Trans Am logo and in the wings of the bird. I think this looks absolutely awesome. Shaker hood, obviously. This has the 6.6 liter or 403 V8, a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got these silver glass hatch roof panels, so they're almost like chrome looking from the outside. They look awesome, especially with the silver on the car. They look cool from underneath as well. And if you haven't already noticed, silver interior. You got silver seats, power windows and power locks. You can see the power window switches there in the middle. And this interior is in extremely nice condition, especially the console, the dashboard, everything is just so nice. The steering wheel is, of course, silver, and it also tilts. You can see the control for that right back there. You have the red kind of continuing onto the door panels and the Firebird again inside the door panel. There's your power lock button. This also has power four-wheel disc brakes, power steering and air conditioning, and the heavy-duty suspension. Aluminum wheels with 225 70R15 BF Goodrich radial TA tires. And the reason this one is so nice is because it has 6,815 original miles on it. 6,815. I'll take a look at the mileage right now inside the car. There it is on this side, 06815, and then another 0, that's the decimal point at the end. But this car has such low miles on it, that's why it looks as good as it does. You can see the fascia of the dash also in great condition. You got your RPM gauge here and a clock that is working. That clock is ticking. And you have your oil pressure and water temp there. Then over here you got fuel, voltage, your air vents, and your AC controls right there. You got your factory radio still down here. It looks like it's never even been touched by human hands. It looks so insanely nice. Your oh, you know what handle right there, and your glove box, and then the inside of the T-tops. Here's a closer look at those and the headliner. Very nice. Dome lights working. Back seats also in good condition. You got the bird back there as well. And then you have this nice fur on the bottom of the door panel, which to me screams 1970s. And it matches the carpet inside the car too, which is also in really nice condition everywhere. Let me tilt the driver's seat forward so we can take a better look at the back seats. Take a closer look here. Also very nice, and at the carpet back here and all of the trim. And then we'll take a look at the parcel shelf. There you got rear window defogger, it looks like, as well. It's a nice option for 1979. T-tops are real easy to do. It's just the one latch on either side. I'm gonna leave them on though. I believe I have pictures of them off. If you want to see those in our photo booth on our website, www.fastlanecars.com, you can see complete photo set of this there. Doors open and close nicely. You got the turn down dual tips, of course. That's classic Trans Am. And then here on the back, this back bumper, again, has that darker gray paint that contrasts against the lighter silver on the rest of the car. And if you want to know how to get in the trunk and get to the fuel door, you got to open up this little hatch right here in 1979. Then you got the key back here and your filler cap, which I'll pop the trunk real quick. Pops up nicely. You still got the factory stickers under here. Here's your nice set of floor mats, and I believe the T-top bags back here as well, and your inflate-a-flat is still sitting back here. The black carpet's really nice. Paint is nice underneath. And you can close this back up and close your trunk. Even the little light in here is still working. I love the look of these Trans Ams and the stance, especially with the big Spoiler on the back, again with the pinstriping on it, the red and dark gray pinstriping, and these little mud guards here that they added. They just look awesome. 4-wheel disc on the door handle, just in case you forgot. They didn't want you to forget that you had awesome 4-wheel disc brakes. Look in the passenger side here now. Door panel really nice. Sills really nice. Closer look at the passenger seat. Really good condition for being from 1979, but you would expect that for 6,815 miles. You also got these cool vents on the side, on the front fenders. Right now we're asking $79,995 for this car, which this thing's basically a time capsule. It looks amazing. Let me pop the hood real quick and we'll take a look there. All right, there's your beautiful 403. Kind of hard to see because the shaker stays there, but you can see the air conditioning unit right there. You can kind of see the block painted blue because Pontiac. Really nice, clean looking engine bay. Still got the stickers in here as well. There's your power brake booster back here. Very nice, and then 6.6 liter on the side of there, of course. Really stock, super complete, under 7,000 miles. What more do you want? And real quick, I'm gonna give this thing a start up and run through all the lights. I'm not gonna drive this because of how low the miles are, but I will start it up so you guys can hear it, and we'll run through all the running lights and stuff like that.